Alright, I'm going to go in with one contract short, stop loss, high of day. I think we need just a little bit more of a pullback here on the 5 based on that strong red candle there. See if we can get the 10 points. Come on, 10 points. There we go. 10-point winner. I think I'm going to go ahead and take this short here. Maybe back down to the range. Opening range here. Damn, should have taken it off at 10 or 12 points.
I tell you something else. The big money is never made in the short swings. It is made how it felt to watch the stock.
I think we'll get it. I'll go for 10.
Noise kills more traders than ignorance ever did.
Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and go back down there like I planned.
But a man full of noise, full of tips and gossip is look. Do you think the tape conceals itself? No, it tells you everything. If you have the courage to believe it over the noise, the market is not kind. Humility is the price of obedience.
Alright, nice little bounce there. That's nice. That's a strong candle.
To your pride, or will you accept what
Going long here.
shows? I recall times when I thought myself in critics' gate in disbelief. Then I have seen disobedience destroy men. Courage to admit that your opinion does not matter, that your hopes and fears are irrelevant. It takes courage to surrender to the movement and trust.
On the upside,
It should go higher. They say the market has risen.
just because there's so much good momentum towards the upside right now, based on that 15.
But they are worth less than nothing if the trend says otherwise.
Trend is up. Gotta go up. Gotta trade it up.
The opinion is revealed as vanity. The trend is reality. Do you want to live in reality, or do you want to live in vanity? The trend is impartial.
Alright, I'm just gonna let this trade run for a little bit. See how.
It is the sum of all
See,
forces, all buying and selling, all fear and greed, all hope and despair. It is the collective judgment of the entire market, and it cannot be ignored without cost. When you align yourself with it, you place yourself on the side of truth.
Alright, this 15's looking good.
No matter how sound your reasoning appears,
15 looks.
history, the bull markets that lifted prices to heights unimagined, the bear markets that dragged them into the abyss, were these driven by opinions?
Alright, new high on the day, 20 points up.
The shift of supply and demand.
Trend still looks strong. 5-minute candle looks strong. Let it go.
At the top of the bull market, men argued it would go higher.
I'm gonna just.
Prosperity was endless. At the depths of the bear market, men argued it
Still
would
looks strong.
that it could not go lower. The trend ignored them all, following its own law until it had run its course.
I'm getting out 20-something points on that.
Opinion bends to truth. Which side do you
Oh
choose?
man.
The beauty of the trend
It still looks strong, but I'm happy with a 26-point win on that. I think the high of day might be in. I'll put my stop loss up here at the high of day. And I'll try to trade back down towards the bottom of the range.
It tells you everything. It is down. Do you
Alright, so I'm going to put my stop loss right there just to secure
seen traders spend
some of these profits. I'm currently 22 to 23 points in the profits. Looking for a push on down to take out the wick of this 2-minute candle over here.
stock must behave in a certain
Let's see if we can go ahead and get that. If we get the push through there, that'll take out my profit target here.
ignoring
But when I'm this much in the profits on a single trade, I'm going to secure some of it
never wrong.
so I don't give all that profit back.
It is the individual
I think we can get it. I just don't know if we're going to push back up a little higher first, then come on back down.
price is the truth. Why do
If we do push back up a little bit, we could chop around for a while, so I don't want to wait on that. So I'm good with either getting stopped out here or my profit target being hit. It looks like we're pushing on down there. 31 points in the profits, 32.
he sells?
Can we get it?
A loss. If he sees a market climbing,
31 points. Come on, push it on down. I think we're going to squeeze on down there. Come on. A little bit further.
the man who clings to opinion
A little further.
should.
33 points, 34, 35, 35 points of profits right there on that one trade, based on the 15-minute chart getting rejected up here at the top of this range. So this, we had a bull flag here and it failed. This bull flag right here had pretty much failed. So I was betting on downside that we kind of play this range. There was a nice wick right here on the 2-minute chart. So I was pretty confident there was a lot of stop losses right under there. So I think we're going to take that out. So I put my profit target just a couple of points above that to be conservative. And now we're continuing to drop there. So far today, $2,803 on this new Apex $50,000 evaluation account. So I'm going to keep watching the charts. If we end up staying in this range, then I'm going to try to catch one more trade for 10 or 12 points to have this account funded. So then I can start working this account towards a payout.